Welcome! In under a minute, I'll show you how to set up your preferred item slots for weapons or items in Fortnite OG. First, launch Fortnite OG and enter any game or the lobby screen. Press escape on the PC or the menu button on the console, then click the settings, which is the gear icon right here. Navigate to the game tab. It's the icon with the controller and gear. Scroll down to combat and preferred item slots. Click on Configure. Here, you will see slots labeled 1 through 5. To assign a preferred slot, highlight the slot and cycle through to check the different options for which item you can assign the slot to. Repeat this for each weapon or item. Choose your shotgun, AR, meds, in whatever order feels best. To clear or reassign a slot, simply cycle through that slot key again to assign an empty hand or a new item. Pro tip: set your most used items on low number slots for lightning fast access. And that's it! Your inventory is now custom set. Enjoy faster swaps and smoother gameplay. Thanks for watching, drop a like if this helped, and get ready to dominate with your new loadout.